Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the light razor pack by Majorette. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Because they put a lot of cello tapes in this one. Okay, finally it's off, and here it is. Okay, let's open it. So here we have all the 5 cards. Let's remove it from this. Let's put it here first. Okay, so we removed all these things. So let's get to it. So let's start with the RD. This is the RD R8. So here is a closer look of it. Okay, the paint job is a matte black with like drawn like kind of paint job, to be very frank with you guys. Still it looks really nice. It has some kind of fiber for the headlights. I'm pretty sure this has suspension as well. No, it doesn't. Okay, so this is the first time I'm looking at a Majorette without a suspension. I thought it had. Okay, fine. Still the detailings are really great. Okay, let's go to the Chevy. So this is a Chevy Camaro. So I was waiting to get my hands on this because there are 2 variations of this one. So one is the police car and another one is this light racer car. So this is at least what is available in India. I don't know about other countries. So stance looks really nice. So this one looks really, it's really perfect. So even here they actually maintain some kind of fiber for the headlights, which is a very welcome thing. Wow, this looks really beautiful. The white body kit, it really slaps. And this one has openable doors. Okay, here it is. So the one difference between Tomica and Majorette when it comes to openable parts, so Majorette has this kind of hinges here, and Tomica has a entirely different kind of hinge which looks like a V-shape hinge here. So I will be unboxing some Tomicas soon. So I did unbox some premium Tomica some time back. I think the Subaru and the Nissan, and there is one more, I guess. So I don't remember. So you can just check out my playlist, and then you can see. Oh, this looks really nice. I wish it just came in a different color like this particular one. It's black with blue instead of this orange with yellow lighting. The yellow doesn't pop up in this one. They gotta use some kind of contrast lines instead of using yellow one. So anyway, it looks really beautiful. This one has suspension, thank god, because I bought this entire set just for this one car. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So this is the Nissan Nismo GT3. So we unboxed Nissan Nismo some time back, which is here. So this is from their racing series. So this looks really nice. The red interior really pops, and this one also has openable doors. Wow, this looks really nice. And as usual, they have some kind of fiber for headlights, which is really awesome. This color contrast looks really nice. They could have just gone with black with pink, because they already have a black with green here. So not this pink, like more pinkish kind of pink, or at least dark red. Dark red would be much more cooler. Okay, the spoiler is actually made of plastic, it is not metal. Okay, let's see if this one has suspension. Yeah, this one has suspension. It rolls pretty nice. Okay, let's see about the Chevy. Okay, this rolls really well. And this doesn't roll really well. See, even the wheels is not even touching here on the ground. I don't know why. Maybe something got stuck inside, I guess. Okay, fine, let's move on to the next one. So this is the Ford GT. So this doesn't have any openable parts. Paint job looks really nice. And this angle looks really nice, under this lighting condition. Wow, this one has really cool rear view mirrors compared to others. The detailing is very nice. Let's see if it has suspension. No, this one doesn't have suspension either. So the bottom looks kind of similar on both of this compared to these cars, which actually has suspension. You can see it here. So one which has suspension has this kind of holes here, so that string can pass through here till the rear wheel. Okay, yeah, you can see it here as well. Okay, so let's roll this one. It's not really that good. So my personal observation would be these two which doesn't have the suspension, this is not rolling really nice. These two really rolls really excellent. Okay, let's move to the, I think this is a Clio if I'm not wrong. Okay, this is Magne RS, Renault Magne RS. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so right out the bat, this has suspension here. This paint job looks okay. I wish they had this paint job for the Corvette, or at least for the Nissan. This one also doesn't have any openable parts either. But if you buy the deluxe version of this, I think racing version if I'm not wrong, it does have some openable hatch here. Headlight looks really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test. Oh, okay, this doesn't even roll in a straight way. No, no, this looks really shit. Test suspension, but I don't think it is working properly. The backside actually has some kind of trouble. I don't know, some kind of manufacturing defect here. This is my third Majorette which I'm having some kind of manufacturing defect. One literally broke in my hand into pieces, and another one doesn't have a good suspension, and this is the third one with the same issue. Okay, fine. So that's it for today, guys. So if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.